everyone. We will discuss the topic aim and objective of physical education which prescribed under GNDU syllabus BA first semester. So these are contents which we read. First of all, we start with introduction. Physical education is an indispensable part of the field of education which contributes to health, social, emotion, and mental development of the individual. In modern high-tech society, we cannot underestimate the importance of relationship in general education and physical education. These two complements each other. Their aim and goals move towards the same goal. All-round development of the personality, enriching the individual, fulfilling and orderly life. Therefore, physical education is integral elements of general education and their relation cannot be denied. These are interconnected and manually depend on each other. So, we can say that physical education is play a very important role in all education system. Now, we will discuss the meaning of physical education. Physical education basically combination of two words, physical plus education. Physical means related with our body, like our physical appearance, our movements like sitting, standing, walking, running and many more. Education means systematic instructions which given by different institutes. Now we move on our main topic, that is aim and objective of physical education. Aim of physical education. First of all, aim and objectives are different, but we will set our different objectives to achieve our aim. So physical education have only one aim, that is a all-round development or a holistic development of an individual. Physical education is education through physical activities for the development of total personality of the child to its fullness and perfection in body, mind and spirit. So to fulfill the aim, we have a separate objectives. Now we will discuss the main objectives of physical education. First is physical development. Physical development is a person. Physical development of a person is the most important objective of physical education. Physical education is related to physical activities which when performed have an effect on various organ systems of our body. It leads to the improvement in our size, shape, efficiency of various organs of these systems. An individual who is having good motor movements may perform daily routine work very effectively without under condition of fatigue, laziness and feel confident in his life. It also promotes sound health which enables an individual to become a valuable asset for the society and nation. The second one, mental development. Mental development refers to the ability to think and solve problems effectively. Physical education provides these activities which help to develop our motor efficiencies, like our thinking, our decision making power, and mental develops person take wise decision at the right time and in a right spirit. So various activities conducted in physical education classes not only require physical strength but also need mental alertness, deep concentration, and physical education also sharps the mind and make it more efficient. Next objective is social development, which is much needable in today's society. This object of physical education refers to the feeling of belongingness, adjustment of group living, social poses, social relationships and social adjustment. Physical activities provide such opportunities to the child to fulfill basic needs like recognition, self-respect, belongingness and love to each other. When these needs are fulfilled, the individual become a well-adjusted social person. While participating in physical activities including games and sports and other activities which conduct in physical education and sports, the individual acquires social qualities such as cooperation with each other, sportsman spirit, curiosity, empathy, team spirit, decorative living, and sportsman spirits, many more. These qualities are essential for social development. Next objective is emotional development. Physical education not works on mental, social, and emotion. Also, physical education not only works on physical development and mental development, it's also impact on our emotions. This refers to the this refers to a psychological situation of body and mind. Emotion is a drive to do something. Emotion covers experiences such as fear, anger, joy, love, sorrow, and many more. It is usually a feeling which has specially become intense. For example, joy means intense pleasure. A child need to develop confidence and feeling of belongingness. Eliminate negative feeling through participating in sports and physical activities like games and like yoga activities, fitness activities, and many more. So our next objective is moral development. Physical education also help in our moral values, to develop our moral values. Every game has a set of rule and regulation, and it is a duty of each player to follow them. Participating in games help in moral development and acquire them to different between right and wrong with honesty. So physical education also play an important role in the moral development of a person. Our next objective is motor development. The objective of motor development refers to the neuromuscular relationship of nerve or nerve fiber to the one that connect the central nervous system with muscles. This in turn enables the movement of the body to enhance the ability of the body to act, react, and interact. It is necessary to exercise the muscle and nerves. Physical education help to develop our motor development. Physical education is related to physical activities which when performed have an effect on various organ systems of our body. It's lead to improve in our neuromuscular relationships. Then our last but not the least objective of physical education is spiritual development. Physical education can contribute to spiritual development by fostering a holistic approach to well-being. While spiritual development is often associated with personal beliefs and values, physical education can indirectly support these aspects of growth in several ways: mind body connection, stress reduce, mindfulness practices, value integrations, nature connection, self reflection, community support. While physical education itself may not address religious or specific spiritual beliefs, it can provide a foundation for individuals to explore and strengthen their inner selves, fostering, fostering qualities that align with many spiritual principles. So, these are our major objectives. Thanks.